All right, welcome back to another short video tutorial, still dealing with the C major chords, but this time with both hands, okay? So, if you didn't watch for the left hand, be sure to check out that video, and if you didn't watch for the right hand, be sure to look at that video. Today we're talking about both hands, okay? All right, so let's look at our music. Okay, so here we have measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, and measure 4. And you will now see that we are playing the grand staff. We have this beautiful brace here, bracing the treble clef staff, the treble staff, and the bass clef staff. And so in measure 1, we are now playing the right hand and the left hand together, and then we come back and play 2 half notes, stacking notes. When I say 2 half notes, meaning your right hand plays the chord in the right hand, and then your left hand plays the chord as well. So this is how it looks when it's on the grand staff. And of course, in measure 2, you have your right hand playing on the treble clef, and your left hand playing the bass clef, played together. And of course it repeats. Here is our repeat sign. So we're going to do the exact same thing that we just did with our left and right hand, but we're now putting it together with both hands. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. So before we do the backing beats, you should already know we're going to just practice playing with both hands, getting used to playing with both hands. Okay, so let me go to my music or my keyboard, and first thing I'm going to do is put my left hand in position, and then I'm going to put my right hand in position. And you can take your time. It's going to feel a little awkward if you've never played chords before. So on my count, 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, so just feel what that feels like, just feeling all these keys played together. Good. Lift up and down. Again, up and down. Okay, here we go. So that's just kind of like a little warm-up, getting your hands used to finding the keys and playing the right keys, okay? All right, so let's go over to our music again. Alrighty, and we're just going to go right to the backing beats, okay? Let's just do that. All right, we're going to go very slow. Ready? Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Hopefully you found that easy, so you can move on to slow. But if you struggled, just play the video back and keep practicing. We're going to move on to slow. Okay, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 thumbs up. Okay, now we're moving on to the normal tempo. This is where you want to be, okay? So let's give it a try together. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Hopefully you had no problems with that, but if you did, you know how to just practice Keep going back over the same exercise and you will get it. I have a lot of faith in you. All right, so if you have any questions, send me an email. Keep practicing. I'll see you in class.